Okay, this is Alphard's first bath on this the 17th of September 2014. Okay. Yes. What do you go ahead and get him wet? I'll have the shampoo. Yeah. Yeah, he's doing very well. Amazing.
He is. I have to get his head wet too.
Yeah. Probably doesn't understand why we're doing this, but...
Because Alphard has a flea.
Alphard has a flea. That's exactly right. Or 2 or 3. Okay. I'll give you some of that. Okay. Yes,
It's a good kitty cat.
Yeah.
Said I never dreamed that this would happen to me.
I'm pretty sure he wasn't thinking about that at all while we were out in the forest.
Look at his tail really good.
Yeah.
You can help me with your hands.
What do you want me to do?
Rub his legs and his tail.
Okay.
I figured he would cry, but he's not crying.
Yeah.
Okay, his hind legs would be good.
Okay, I'll try to rub them as best I can.
Well, you can hold the front, whichever.
I'll hold the front. Yes.
Then we'll have to hold, and then we'll have to do underneath.
Yeah.
Does the camera have enough light?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's doing great. It picks up the light. Yes, good kitty.
Now let's get him in the water and start rinsing him a little bit.
Okay.
I'll get underneath his belly.
Okay.
I have to do his head.
Yeah, I know.
He do it being good.
Oh, he's doing a great job.
Look how dirty the water is.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
You were a dirty kitty cat.
He sure was. What do you want me to do?
Just help me get some water up over top of him with him.
Okay. Yeah, stay put, kitty. Yeah.
Okay, I think you can dump this water out on the driveway and then we'll start pouring it.
Okay. I'll just hold him, yeah. Right, here we go. I'm just going to dump it right down the driveway.
Okay. Such a good kitty cat. A little bit more pour it out. Okay, now you can pour the nice warm water again.
Over him, okay.
Yeah, get all the shampoo off of it.
Here it goes.
Yeah. What a treatment, yeah.
Is that working?
It's working great. Okay, I'm going to dump this so that it's down on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here comes some more.
Right on his head so I can get it.
Oh boy.
Okay, I'm going to dump this. We got to keep working till the water's clean.
Yeah, I know.
God, I'm going to have a clean kitty cat.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, you know what? There's a flea
Where?
right there in the water.
In the water. I see that. There's a couple of them. That's what we wanted.
Okay.
So...
Yeah, just keep pouring. Yeah, they don't have anywhere to go. Okay, I'm going to turn him so you can pour it on his tummy.
Okay. Yeah.
He's hanging on for dear life. Okay.
Here we go. Yeah.
He said, I'll never trust these people
I know.
again as long as I live.
I know. I call him over to let me pet him. He's not going to be so forthcoming.
Okay, one more rinse.
Okay, here it goes.
Okay. Just keep going.
Okay.
I think he's been doing exceptional.
Oh, I know. little kittens when I was a child. They didn't.
Okay, his head once more.
All right, here it goes.
Okay, I think that's good. The water's clean.
Yeah, it is.
Now he's ready for the towel.
Okay, I've got the towel right under here. What do you want me to do? Start drying them off?
Yeah, wrap him up.
Underneath?
Just wrap him all up and I'll...
Okay. Okay. Yes, kitty, it's okay.
Yeah, what a good kitty.
No, I can't believe he didn't seem to bother him. It's yes, good kitty, it's okay.
He's going to be the cleanest kitty in town.
They sure will. Yes, you know, it might even start purring here in a little bit, but
Just rub him real good.
it will. Is it still filming him?
Mm-hmm.
Good. There. I think he's pretty much dry.
I'm going to give the camera to you.
Okay. All right. Okay, I've got...
Can you see him okay?
Yep. He didn't complain too badly. It's almost as if he knew that...
Is he purring? He's purring.
He's purring. He's actually purring. Amazing.
What about that? What a good kitty cat. Now this is a clean towel here.
Yep.
Or a dry towel. Yeah. See, that feels so good. Now we have a clean kitty.
I'm
It's
telling you,
almost dry.
the cleanest one on the block, if not in the whole town. After he's dried, we're gonna put any anti-fleece stuff. We're gonna use that.
Well, don't cry. Yeah, we'll put a little bit on him.
Okay.
But he'll... Oh, he's shaking a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll finish. Yeah, we'll finish. So that was Alphard's bath, the first bath.
And he was exceptionally well behaved.
Yes.